Sandbaggy, and this is a comparison video between the 6-inch galvanized rounded top staple compared with the standard staples you find on the market. Now, this rounded top here is a very unique staple, and this is specifically made for installing tubing. So if we move over here, we can see that this is 1/2-inch tubing, and it's installed with the galvanized staple. It's perfectly flush, so there's no movement on the tubing because it's rounded off. Now, normal staples can also install tubing, but it's just not the perfect application for it. So, additionally, these staples are 9 gauge, so they're 20% thicker than the standard staples that you find on the market. And so they don't bend as easy when you install them. Lastly, these are galvanized staples, which means that they will not rust and they can be reused for different applications. These rounded top staples can also be used for ground cover. This is an example of an application. So very many applications for this rounded top galvanized staple.